on this forever. It's time for our first mod. It's time for the intake. An Airaid intake. Just kidding, it's over here. Yes! I already put this thing together. Not entirely. Still need some clamps and stuff and whatnot, but it's gonna get dry fitted in here. But before we get to the fun stuff of this, now that the car is running good and everything, let's do some sound clips. Let's hear this thing rumble, huh? We'll get a little before and after what we're dealing with.
While this baby warms up, I guess now's a good time to tell you guys to subscribe and like it if you like. You don't have to like it now. You can wait till the end to like it, you know, if you actually like it. But we just crossed over right around 240 subs, I think. So hey, progress. We're getting there. This should be the 40th video. Don't hold me on that. I might post a short or something before it pops off. But yeah. So still early. It's now the time to ride the gravy train. That is Patty Smile. You know, we're gonna make it out the cut.
I'm so glad I fixed that. I'm trying to work on my car here and...
Big. No, you can see me.
Your shadow? Oh, that's what you're on about. She don't like to be in the video at all. No. But if you want to see her, go back and watch when she drove this thing, huh? Hey, we're gonna have to do another video after we upgrade it. You driving it with more horsepower. That'd be funny. All right, here we go. Like I said before in all my other videos, these are never tutorials, okay? But I figured I'd bring this up if you are doing this. Unplug your battery again, okay? Make sure you do it, because you got to take out the MAF, and if you forget that, then your car's gonna hate you and it's gonna run wrong, and you know what I mean. So just do that. All right, next. Look at this big hunky thing. So there we go. That's the full old big old unit. Anybody need to buy a stock airbox and is local? I'll bring it to you. That was easy. Oh wait, I shouldn't have put that there. I just need to grab the MAF. Are we living in a box? Are we living in a cardboard box? Sorry. The Mansion DLC came out on GTA. Been grinding that lately. So of course GTA radio stuck in my head. Okay, now I can put this away. Good riddance. Now, for this freaking thing, I really should pull out the instructions real quick just to double check, make sure I don't forget anything. I think it's self-explanatory, but there's still a lot more stuff in the box that needs to go places. So, all right, we can throw this in. So this is gonna drop down in here like so. I believe. That's much better. So now, we just tighten that up, and then bingo. That fought me a little bit to get that little rubber plug in there, but we're Gucci now.
Oh! You'll put this in your eyes!
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, be careful! Why are you even using that?
Because it's a really tight hole and I'm just trying to stuff it in.
Oh, like what you did last night?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
He's mad.
So I think I can wedge this on here now. Yep. So now I'm coming to the realization that I should have hooked everything up before I should have hooked everything up before I mounted everything. Okay! I'm the best. Okay. 1 second. All right, voila, final steps. So I had to just disconnect this to get everything to work. But if you do it, make sure you mock everything before you fully install. You know, I should have known that. I'm just an idiot. Anyway, so I got one last hose clamp. Actually, I may have gotten it. I did get it. Okay, cool. So we're done, skis. Okay. Now, just some connectors here. She's still lubed up from before, but I'll take a little, right? It's good for it. Very nice. And there you have it. Last little bracket again. That's torqued perfect. So I might just leave those open, honestly. I don't know why that doesn't fit properly. That's, again, annoying. This is supposed to be
Aligned.
all the way over. See, it's way far. Yeah, so, okay, well.
What if it does that when you like zoom?
I'm just gonna let it roll like that. I don't care. We'll keep the fasteners if I, you know, decide to fix it later. All right. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Okay, well, yeah, that's enough of that for right now. I don't want to, you know, bug my neighbors, it'd be too loud or whatever, so let's go bug Sonny's neighbors.
All right. Oh, Sonny. I'm here. Let's go.
2 horsepower right there.
You bet.
Where's your stickers?
I didn't put them on.
See?
I don't like
now
that
you're losing horsepower.
Nah, bro, it's bright ass yellow in the engine bay. I don't.
I
dig it.
know.
I don't like it.
Horsepower. It's
No.
proven every sticker's 5 horsepower. And when it comes with it and you don't put it on, you lose 10.
Stickerless car. I got 1 sticker on my car. Look, they want to know the brand. It's right there on the lid.
It looks like you're missing 2 screws too there, bud.
I am indeed. It did not line up, so I did not want to deal with it. I either got to flex the hell out of the airbox or, yeah,
Where's this one? Oh, bro.
way the f over. That's what I'm saying.
Sure it's not user error on
It
installation?
it could be, but yeah.
Definitely.
Well, you want to go for a ride? See if it feels different?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
We're gonna find. You wanna come look at this box?
Yeah, we can detour.
Trunk's got it. Interior's got it. It's all right here.
Jesus. All right.
I want to put a roll bar in it, so making it easy. Drop it off Friday, and maybe we can go fast next year at the Drag and Drive.
Yeah, it's about time. This thing's a death trap. The Drag and Drive was a long time ago, but this thing didn't show anywhere close to its true potential. Or
Not the
it was
slightest.
it was awful at the Drag and Drive.
It really was.
But
We'll have to do some testing with it when it comes back.
Yeah.
It's warm.
this thing's freaking awesome. I love
And
this
it's
car.
not spicy.
I mean, look at this. If you guys haven't seen this before, look at this behemoth.
But let's roll it back now. Let's take a look at the new Willwood brakes on the front.
Oh, jeez.
Tubular control arms. Coilovers on the front.
Yeah, you can actually stop now.
Let's roll on the back. Willwood disc brakes on the back.
Oh yeah.
It might not even have the caliper. We're not worried about that. And
all right.
that horn bit, if you look under there, it's got a 4 9-inch now. We ain't breaking nothing.
You want to bet?
Yeah. That girl said she wanted 9 inches. That's close as we can get to it right there.
Okay. All right. A little gap here. Yeah, perfect. All right, ready?
All right, let's see what it feels like with the new air intake. Hit it. Oh yeah. Way better.
Yep.
Hit it. Oh yeah.
But sick, dude. All right. Hey, hopefully it gets the wine on the way out.
Let's see.
All right. But we're gonna get this out. I'll put this away, get the video out, and upload it so you guys can enjoy it. But yeah, noticeable volume difference. Volume. You hear the whine. This thing's screaming at you now. I love it. Refresher, mods to come. We have the pulley sitting on the bench. Heat exchanger in the mail. Injectors are here. So we got the Christmas break coming up. So I might be able to take the snout off the supercharger, send it over to a buddy to get the pulley pressed on. I'll find out. But yeah, I guess you'll see my ugly mug after the holidays. Yeah, thanks for checking this out. Hope you digged it, and I hope you smiled.